Peace, peace, good people. You know you're back with your homeboy, Vince Turner. And yo, I'm just on the check-in right now, tapping in. I'm hanging out right now, and I know you see me with a different background behind me. Just hanging out right now, and I'm going to show you guys where I'm hanging out at. It's a place called Boxcar. If you've never been there before, if you've grown, you remember arcade games. It's a place that you can come play arcade games. You can drink as an adult. They put both of them together. So that's where I'm at tonight, you know what I mean? So let's get into it. Run the intro. Let's go. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy.
Feeling real heavy.
Like now, it's C4,
baby.
It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride.
Hey.
Tonight we gon' ride.
Lit out here in the city, baby. This is the end of the night right here. You know, I couldn't get the footage that I want to. Let me put my do-rag down though. I couldn't get the footage that I want to because it was dark. And, you know, it was mad people out here, but I couldn't get the footage that I want to bring you guys. So, pretty much, I'm going to wrap up this video. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Let's just say I continue this video tomorrow. All right? Is that enough? Because this is too short. I can't leave this as a video right here, all right? So, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, all right? Let's go. You already know, or you should know. Let me take my shades off. You should know where I'm at right now. My second favorite place. At the car wash. You know what I mean? Getting my baby cleaned. You know, one of my mantras for this page is going to be like, keep your whip clean. No matter what you do, keep your whip clean. Because guys, your whip is a representation of you. You know what I mean? Especially you out here trying to impress women and all that. Definitely keep your whip clean. You know what I mean? You know the vibes. Oh, they just stopped it right now. Something happened. I don't know what happened. Hopefully I'm not stuck in this joint. Okay, there we go. There we go. We back on there. Woo! About to say, because it was one time I was in here and something happened and I was in here for like 2 minutes, just kind of on hold type. But yeah, I'm glad that didn't happen now. I'm out right now, just came from running errands on the way to the cribbo. But man, I'm getting ready to go and work on some things right now, look at analytics, and I don't know, man. Like, I'm thinking about doing something new for the Shop Talk, you know what I mean? Because everybody has expressed that they like Shop Talk, you know what I mean? Personally, in person and on social media and whatnot. So I'm loving doing the Shop Talk. Look at the sun all in my eyes, like, whoa, man. But I'm loving doing the Shop Talk show, and I'm glad that the people that have reached out to me and told me that they like it, I appreciate that. Put my damn eyes up. Keep the sun out my face a little bit. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna make this video too long because I know it wasn't long to begin with. But if you guys have never been to Boxcar, pull up at Boxcar, man. You will have a whole ball at Boxcar. And I'm gonna end this video because I got something else that I'm gonna bring to you guys. So stay tuned. See you guys on the next video. Prince Turner out. Prince Turner out.